Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I'm in Jasper, Indiana, Jasper Riverwalk. Me and Blue Dog out for a little walk. He was down the river a little bit today. Got his paws a little wet. But I just wanted to make a quick video letting everybody know I'm going to be cutting back on videos for a little while. I know I was doing 3 to 5 a week sometimes. But I cut back to 2 because of the weather. Wasn't able to get out as much and do like local videos. Then what happened was I'm in between jobs right now, so I'm gonna be switching from evening to days to nights for a while, and that's really gonna mess up my schedule. So I'm gonna say for about the month of May, probably be only seeing 1 video a week. I'll try to pick it back up as I get used to the new schedule. I hope y'all stick around. I really do appreciate all your support. I'm sorry, but this has got to take precedence over YouTube. Not that I don't enjoy YouTube, but I kind of also need a job. I mean, YouTube does help pay my bills. Trust me, it makes a big difference. And I'm glad that I have that to fall back on. But it doesn't pay enough to pay all my bills. So that's what's going to be happening. Hopefully you stick around. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to be notified when me or we put up a new video, click on that little bell icon and that'll notify you just in case I put up an extra video that week or something. Okay, enough with the rambling. Like I said, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, one of the upper corners. And as always, he's ready to get back for a walk. Thank you for watching.